We out here going for this nice walk. We saw this yesterday. There was a lot of nature out here. We saw turtles. What else we saw here? We saw all types of animals.
Like swans.
Swans, white swans, iguanas, all types of stuff. Right, so we finna take out on this little nature tour with us. We had what is this, Royalton? I mean, Dreams.
Yeah, he drinking.
Drink. I've been drinking, y'all. Forgive me. And this is the walk from the preferred club to just the regular side. We're in the preferred club now, so we're walking over to the other side because that's where the pool really be jumping at. Wasn't too much going on at the preferred club. It's very quiet, but you know, very calm and soothing. So we're just walking over now. This is the bridge. You said what? Oh yeah, you can rent out these boats right here, and yeah, take them for a little. Oh, speaking of which, let me try to zoom in. Oh, y'all can't see that. It's a big. I don't know what that is. It's what we saw yesterday. I want to say like a. I don't even want to tell y'all because y'all gonna say the wrong. No, that's definitely not a swan. I was gonna say a crane, but I don't think that's correct. I don't know if it's the correct terminology for it, but and there's some ducks. Try to zoom in. There's some ducks out here. You said what?
Right in that bush, you know what you see it?
Oh yeah, I do see it. Something right here. I can give y'all a little view. Oh, actually, here we go right here. Never mind. I don't have to. We ain't got a guess for you guys. Got some turtles out here. Iguanas. Don't know what that is, but I'm gonna call it a duck. Yeah, that. What is that? The white what? Heron? Heron. A blue heron. They got a few different ones out here. It probably ain't really blue, but a pelican. Actually, no, that's not a pelican. Okay. But y'all get the idea. These are different types of wildlife we seeing out here. Pictures of some of them. So yeah, nice scene area. Oh, that one in flight down there. Nice. Some turtles. Some turtles out there chilling, enjoying this good weather. Oh, what's that? I don't know what that is, but we're going to get put in. Might be my football ride. We was talking earlier. Bring these paddle boats. I was just telling them, I was like, somebody actually out here right now doing one of the boat rides. I don't know. Good arm workout indeed. And this bridge, y'all, is so long, man. We started way back here. I think y'all saw we started recording right as we started walking. And man, this thing is so long. And when you get to the end down there, it turns again. So it's really another section you gotta walk just to get to the next set of pools. So a lot of walking if you are coming here. Be prepared for walking. Continuing to walk. And Brittany's scared, of course, but there we go. Some more of those up close and personal. This is really nice, man. Nice resort. We love it. Waddling along here, we hear all type of noises. We got all type of noises out here, man. Boy. No, we not at the end yet. I told y'all, look, we just made it past this turn from that long straightaway, and we still got all of this left to walk, man. I don't know what that is, but it's time to get up out of here. And as y'all see, look, she couldn't run if she wanted to. Prager is over here. Can't move too quick. How long you think this walk is? This is definitely not a mile. This might be, you know what? I'll give it that. This might be half a mile. Might just be half a mile, man. Y'all bring some walking shoes, because let me tell you, these slides, man, these flip-flops, ain't cutting it. It's a good exercise, though. Wish I had my Apple Watch on right now so I knew how many steps this is. What's that? What? Oh, all type of exotic noises out here. I was looking for the turtles, y'all. We saw some turtles out here yesterday. I don't think I've seen any so far, though. We almost there. I'll probably start the video back up once we make it to the end. And right when we made it to the end, here's a turtle. It's a baby one. We saw some big ones yesterday. It's a little baby turtle. Like I said, it's a lot of nature out here. Oh, y'all, we finally made it to the end after this long walk. But yeah, again, this is Dreams Royal Beach. Y'all can check it out here, the animal list right here again. And yeah, nice. We made it. We made it. Hey YouTube, as y'all can see, we get out at the beach. She laughing because we're supposed to be vlogging the whole day. And guess who didn't vlog? Us. Y'all might see a little bit of footage of some other stuff and some other clips. Maybe in this video, I don't want to know. But right now we're at the beach, enjoying some of this good weather. How the water feeling?
It's warm and it's cold.
Warm and cold at the same time. Look at the baby bump, y'all. Oh. Yeah, man, we out here. Dreams Royal Beach. Nice. Nice views, nice water. Just having fun, enjoying life. Yeah. What? Y'all want the water case? The quality gonna be bad on the water case. It's for the people. I'm doing this for you too. I'm risking this phone for y'all, man. I'm out here getting deep with it. I might just go 10 feet deep, go for a swim, put the phone on my head. Look how far I am from shore. Not too far. Come on out here. Why? I told you two I'm going 10 feet deep for them. Get us to 500,000 subscribers right now, and I'll go all the way out there. Hey, this actually pretty deep. Y'all see where I'm at. And y'all know me, I'm about, I'll tell them about a smooth 6'4". I'm about a smooth 6. No, I'm probably about 5'11", but yeah, man, this water getting high. Oh boy, it's nice out here though. Look at this. She getting scared. She ain't concerned for me. She's worried, but it's okay. I'll be okay. It's for y'all, YouTube.